Namaste dosto. So, we are moving on with the ZX81 project. Today, we're removing this old membrane keyboard. It's been okay over the years, I suppose, but it's time to move on. We're replacing it with a tactile keyboard that supports our ZXpand interface. So, what we're going to need for this, obviously, the ZX81 with the keyboard we want to remove, a non-sharp scraping tool. This old chisel wouldn't cut butter, and a hairdryer. What we're going to do is heat it up to melt the glue and gently tease it out. We get it out in one piece, happy out. If we don't, doesn't matter. Okay, so off we go. Getting good and sticky now, and it's starting to come away. Get some resistance, we'll apply more heat. It's difficult to do this with one hand holding the camera. One moment please, I'm going to heat some more off and I'll see you just before I've finished. It has been on here for a good while. This is an Issue 1. And there we are. Got it off in one piece, totally undamaged. I suppose if someone was desperate for one of these originals, you could find a way of trimming the ends there and tidying them up so that they would go back in. But if we look here, there's some heat damage on the actual conductors. That'll be why the keyboard wasn't working properly. So looking at that, this conductor here all the way along has heat damage from way back whenever it was in permanent use many years ago. So this will go in my box a bit, so I'm not going to throw it away. When I've finished the project, all the leftovers, if anyone wants them, they'll be free. So that's all for now. I shall do the next video when I'm fitting the Molex connectors for the new keyboard. I thought I might have to clean all this sticky off here, but that's actually going to be beneficial when I'm putting the new keyboard in. That's all for now. I love you. Bye-bye.